Day in the life of a 24-year-old making $100,000 a month. Let's get it. Just woke up, and this past week it's been interesting to say the least. I'd say a lot of new changes happened in my business. Like one, we have a crazy new guarantee offer. I think I could say it publicly now, but don't worry, I'm not trying to sell you specifically, but it's just the offer we have in the back end for our high ticket. We actually are able to guarantee help our students make $8,000 cash in 180 days, or we'll get them double their money back. That's how good our fucking program is. But don't worry, not trying to sell you specifically. I mean, unless you want, you can check out the link in my description, no pressure. But that's change number one, which feels morally so great because we have a product that we actually believe in and that we're able to put the money where our mouth is. And that spreads throughout my entire team, from my fulfillment team, my sales team, my coaches, all of that. But also it terrifies me because this could be a ticking time bomb that destructs. I'm gonna do everything in my human power to make sure it goes well. And then number two, we switched from our low ticket free training VSL that sells our $1 trial to $29 a month software subscription. And we're switching back to webinars. And so that was a whole grind, switching all my systems and automations yesterday. So I was exhausted yesterday, but oddly, I feel pretty well rested and I feel super energized today. So it looks like all that work yesterday doesn't really affect me today, which is great. Because usually when I work extremely hard, one day I get exhausted the next day. Looks like I recovered properly. Now the name of the game, the next week-ish, all I'm gonna be focusing on is how exactly can I bring more traffic and get more leads into this webinar and get people to show up. Slight problem though, I don't know if you can see this, but my Instagram account's actually shadow banned right now, so I can't reach non-followers, which is a problem because in my prime, I would get like 5,000 to 10,000 people to register for my webinars. And now with my current Instagram account, I might even be lucky to get 1,000 to 2,000. But luckily I brought reinforcements. So I have some friends that are influencers like Bilal, who has 4.8 million followers on TikTok, Gabe Melagrito, who has 23K on IG, and much more. They're gonna all help me promote this webinar. So a little bit less pressure than all by myself, but still. I think the great thing about webinars, specifically as content creators, it forces you to level the fuck up in your content. Else, if you do a poor job promoting it, not getting people to register, not getting people to show up, you're basically gonna spend 90 minutes wasting your time with barely anyone showing up. It almost forces you to do well because it puts so much pressure on you to actually have people show up and have a successful webinar. So that's the only thing on my mind right now is how can I get the most amount of people to show up? I don't have the answers to that right now because my Instagram is shadow banned. Usually I rely on my Instagram for that. So I guess we'll just have to find out. It might be today, it might be this next week, but I will figure this shit out. But anyways, let's get the day started. Let's go. Oh shit. It's cold as shit. Done with the classic pool, hot tub, steam room, sauna combo, and I just thought of a fire video idea that might blow up on Instagram, we'll see. But I am still doing laundry. Gotta make sure I have clean sheets for the lady, and it's making a bunch of noise. So in the meantime, while I'm waiting for it, just gonna do a bunch of chores because look at this place. This place is dusty as hell. As you see there, trash everywhere, crumbs on the floor. I don't know if you guys wanna see this. I'm exposing myself. Lots of work to do. Okay, now time for the fun part. Gonna film a short form video. Honestly, I've been focusing on YouTube for the past 2-ish months, but now that we're back to running webinars and I need a hell of a lot of traffic, I don't even know if I said that right. Anyways, I need some more videos blowing up. So we gotta be a bit more purposeful on Instagram. We're busting out the Sony FX3. This thing cost me like $8,000 with the body, the lens, the SD card reader, the SD card, all of that. And I actually got 2 of them. I'm gonna be filming a 2-camera angle short form video. It's crazy because this video is only gonna be like 60-ish seconds long, and it's probably gonna take me like 10, 15 minutes to set up and actually film it. But that's what it takes to be great. And that's what it takes to actually be successful in social media. Is you don't wanna look like you're trying. You want to actually make every detail matter. So that's kind of the art. Perfect it without looking like you tried so hard to perfect it. I guess, if that makes sense. Whatever, let's cut to it. These are like 200-ish, and I have 2. So these 2 right here are just $400 each, which is fucking insane.
Shutter speed to 1,000.
Bless. Filming is done. I can't believe I spent like, alright, we'll put some timestamps. I don't know how long it is. Can't believe it's been like 20-ish minutes for one video. But hey, if that one video gets 100,000 views, 1 million views and beyond, then I would say 20 minutes is definitely worth it for a 1-minute video. Time to clean up, upload these files. I think my girlfriend's gonna come through in about an hour. Let's go. How's the waffle?
It's really good. It reminds me of my childhood.
Nice, very nice.
I go.
Okay, I am dead as hell. Didn't film much today with my girlfriend. Honestly, just wanted to be more present with her. I think it's super easy, especially as a content creator couple, to almost neglect the presence of the moment to try to capture the best content and the best B-roll and the best footage for future posts. And so something I wanted to focus on today was more about just enjoying the moment, not worrying about like, oh, can I get the next video for my day in the life or for my vlog or anything like that. Honestly, it was really nice. Good little break from just taking videos. But yeah, as always, official numbers for the day. I made $1,236. So not great considering I made $1,000 today without doing any work. I'll take it. But yeah, if you are wondering how I'm able to make all this money without doing much work, I just spent a free course breaking down exactly how I made $2 million profit, just type messages on my phone. Now you can do it too, or make like 3 to 4K a month from home if you want. It's on YouTube. Just check out this playlist right here and get a pen and paper out because it's gonna be crazy. So again, check out this playlist right here and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.